Coming at the fifth spot are the so-called Embo barangays. Residents in 10 Embo barangays can vote in the upcoming midterm elections. However, they are not allowed to vote for their preferred congressional representative. Now, Comelec Chairman George Garcia said the Embo barangays do not belong in any districts in Taguig. He explained that a new law must be created to indicate the barangay's district. The residents can also create a new district since their area has over 250,000 residents. Recall, the 10 Embo barangays were transferred from Makati to Taguig based on a Supreme Court decision.
Hanggang sa kasalukuyan, hindi po alam ng Comelec kung saang distrito kayo sa dalawang distrito ng Taguig kabilang. Hindi po namin kayo pwedeng isama sa first district. Hindi namin kayo pwedeng isama sa second district. Bakit po? Wala pong kapangyarihan ng Comelec na gawin yon.
So, Makati Mayor Abby Binay slammed this decision from Comelec. She asked how come the Embo barangay residents can still vote for city councilors yet they are not allowed to choose their representative in the Congress. Oh, nagkakagulo talaga. The Embo or the Taguig versus Makati saga continues. But yun nga, ang importante dito kasi there's more than 250,000 residents na baka ma-disenfranchise, meaning hindi makakaboto.
Kasi the lower house, the Congress as a whole can assign them a new district na all 250,000 or i-distribute yung half of the 5 barangays and the other half to certain districts within Taguig.
Oo. Kasi ang problem dyan kasi magpiprinta ng balota, magpiprint rather, no, ng balota ang Comelec soon. Hindi naman soon, but kailan ba ang
I think they're already printing.
Less than how many months before kasi certificate of filing of certificate ng candidacy. Tapos after nun tsaka sila magpiprinta ng balota. Pero sinabi naman daw ng Comelec, they're very parang confident, no, na mariresolve tong issue na to. They have ample time, no, to resolve this issue. Kung gagawa ang Congress ng batas or aayusin or ikaklaruhin ng Supreme Court yung tungkol sa issue na to, yung pag-identify ng district dito sa 10 Embo barangays.
Ang Comelec naman kasi is may template sila for before printing. So that template is malleable. Pwede na iba-ibahin, pwedeng i-manipulate before magkaroon ng printing. Pero usually kasi siniset na yan. May idea na based sa pronouncement, may idea na sila.
Certificate of filing of candidacy.
Even before certificate filing daw, mayroon silang idea more or less sino yung mga tatakbo na. But they wait until yung sinasabi mo yung certificate filing. Pero kung hindi ma-resolve to, I understand it. Parang yung mga
filing of certificate of candidacy yan, COC.
Parang PDLs, di ba? The PDLs cannot vote for yung certain congressmen or because wala naman, nakapiit sila eh. But they can vote for national positions. Hindi ko sinasabi ng PDL mga to. Pero it's because lang, wala silang assigned district. Basta ang alam natin, Taguig sila. Previously from Makati. Ang mahirap niyan, if sabihin ng Comelec, sige, dito muna kayo sa District 1 sa Taguig, boboto, biglang sabihin ng Congress, hindi pala eh. Part belongs to 2, part belongs to 3.
So, kailangan ayusin
magkakagulo-gulo.
Ayusin ng Congress para maayos. Or yun nga, ma-clarify ng Supreme Court, ano ba talaga itong Embo barangay na to, saang distrito?
Will Congress act on it? It's because re-election na yung mga yan.
Of course.
They
will act on it.
No, di ba
they should.
Certain congressmen belong to certain districts. So pag-agawan nyo ngayon yung mga voters, unless mag-create ka ng new district, then you need another position to run for that district.
Pwede. That's a good point.
Yung mga ayaw na tumakbo sa ibang district na natatalo, dito na lang ako tatakbo sa bago.
Pero ang importante, hindi dapat ma-disenfranchise yung mga kababayan natin.
It's their right to vote.
Right to vote, right to suffrage nga. Ayun. Alright.